Liam, do you have the hiccups? What do you think about those hiccups? Are they kind of annoying? They're kind of annoying, aren't they? Let's see how big you've gotten. You will be 7 weeks old tomorrow. You're gonna be a big boy. Yeah. So tell us about those hiccups. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, they're so loud. Yeah, they're really loud, aren't they? Are they annoying you? Are they annoying? Are they annoying? Go away, hiccups. Say, go away. Go away, go away, go away. All right. Say, hiccups, go away. You're looking at the camera, aren't you? Can you smile? Or are the hiccups too distracting? Those silly hiccups, huh?